Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through the workspace of CorelDraw. So first off, the top bar here from where we have file, top up there is called the menu bar. So the second row is called the standard bar, while the one following it, where we have this A4 and down, is called property bar. Then on your left hand side, we have the toolbar. Then below, we have the status bar. On your right hand side, this is where we have the color palette. Then we go straight to the page in which we're going to use as we're designing. This is my page, which I'm going to put on my designs. So this is your design area from here to here. Anything above that, above these lines or this box here, is actually not going to show in case you want to print or you want to do anything with the design you have made. So you make sure everything enters this space here. So whatever you are keeping here beside the box is actually the items you're using to make up your designs. At the end of the day, when you want to print or want to do anything, they might not show. So thank you for listening, and please remember to subscribe to my channel.